Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will discuss how to use the prompter feature in the CapCut app. The prompter is a very useful feature for those of you who frequently make vlog videos or presentations. This feature allows you to read a script or text while making a video, so you can make sure you don't read it wrong. To get started, make sure your CapCut app is the latest version. Open the app, and here you will immediately find the prompter menu. So open it. Now, enter the text or script that you want to read in your video. You can change the speed, text size, and color to your needs. You can also adjust the position of the prompter window to your comfort. For the multi-clip option, you can choose the duration between 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Or, you can choose the one-shot option, if you only need to make a video with one take. There's an effect menu here that you can use. Additionally, you can narrate for a video that already exists or is stored in the gallery. When you're done, tap the record button to start reading the text on the prompter. The prompter will run according to the reading speed you set, so you can easily read it while making a video. After you're done reading the text, select the stop option to end the prompter session. There will be some edit menus here for you to use if needed. As for saving, tap Export. That's it for this video tutorial. With the prompter in CapCut, you can make more professional videos and ensure you read the text correctly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.